Hello, you absolute legends. My name is Don Cavanaugh. We're going to introduce one of three methods that we use to calculate G, or the Gibbs free energy. This basic setup here is a plug and chug where we have a value of G in joules. We have a value of H in joules minus temperature in Kelvin and entropy in joules per Kelvin here. In this method one, we plug and chug to get a G value right here. That's the gist of it. What I also like to do is explain what each of these four terms are referring to in their basic units in the bullets right here, okay? Gibbs free energy is an idea of the spontaneity of a reaction, if it will spontaneously go or not go right here. G can be a positive or negative value. If it is negative, it is spontaneous. If it is positive, it is non-spontaneous. H is a term we've heard before called enthalpy. We refer to that H term as either positive or negative. When H is a positive term, we've called it an endothermic reaction. That's cold to the touch, or the bonds of the new solution, of the new reaction, have had to absorb energy from the surroundings. And when H is a negative term, it is exothermic or warm to the touch. By the way, the units for G is joules. The units for H is joules. The units for T is Kelvin, and T is always positive. The reason why we convert the temperature into Kelvin is just to keep it a always positive term right here. Celsius and Fahrenheit can have negativos in there. Entropy is the S term. It is referring to the position, disorder, or movement of the molecule. It has the units of joules divided by K right there. And it must, because if we take temperature and multiply it in this term right here, TS, if we take temperature multiplied by entropy, we're left with joules. And joules minus joules is going to equal joules right here. I also want you to note how this formula fits the slope-intercept formula. Y equals mx plus b. I'd also like you to note that it's the y equals mx plus b format. Kind of moved around the m's and the x's and stuff like that, but I hope you can get the idea of how this fits the y equals mx plus b. This is method one for calculating delta G. I hope this helps. Thank you.